Back to the channel, and yes, again in the garage with another project. So out here, terrible. Oh, we got a visitor here also. What are we doing today? A little surprise. Somebody stopped up. What we adding today?
What's going on?
We are going to mess around with something under the hood again. I was thinking of what else we can do underneath the hood, because we have basically everything that we did here with the fuse box cover, the Shelby coil covers, the coolant tank cover, we did the brake reservoir cover, and then the new airbrushed hood liner. So the only thing that I notice out of this is the Strut Tower Brace. What I think we're gonna do here is we're gonna take that off and we're gonna get it powder coated. So Dominic has a friend that has a powder coating business, top-notch custom coatings.
Yep.
His buddy Austin owns that company, so we're going to take his Strut Tower Brace off, and Dominic's going to get it over to Austin, and he's going to powder coat it for us. Yep. So I'll be going out of town, and he's going to handle getting it over to him, talking to an old friend and catching up.
Yeah, and Austin, he really cares about what he does. He puts some good work together, so it's gonna look good.
So that I think was the only thing that was standing out under the hood now was that Strut Tower Brace. So we'll go ahead and take it off, and it's only 4 bolts to get that thing off of there.
Not too much.
And see how it turns out. I'm excited. Let's get to it. All right, so let's see what we got to do to get this thing off of here. Like I said, it's not much. So get this battery cover off. I think we're gonna need to get it to make some room. Yeah, that's the only thing that stands out to me right now is that the silver of that brace. Everything else being black and gray. Just move that back out of the way. That. Nope, I need a deep socket for this side. All right, this passenger side needs a deep socket.
And what color were you saying you wanted it?
Going to powder coat it a satin black, so it matches the fuse box cover and the coil covers. So that should be pretty good. I think it'll look good.
And it's gonna make it all flow really good together.
Yeah.
Just have that dark look to it.
All right.
They did a really good job on that.
Yeah, Jeff takes pride in his work. I think that that hood liner did turn out nice. He did a great job. I'm very happy with it. Can we get that side?
Yeah. Your clock.
A little sound from a Mustang clock.
Yeah, and then you got this covering up that brake. What was it?
Yeah, brake reservoir. The JTL cover, plastic cover. Covers up the brake reservoir and the components to the ABS.
Might be able to slide that off and then pull it out this way.
That's it.
Yeah. Not too hard to get that off.
Nah, just the 4 nuts that you got to take off.
Yeah,
All
so
holding it down.
that's gonna stay the same. Everything else is gonna be a satin black. It's gonna look good.
All right, so now that we got that off, the next step is Dominic's going to get it over to Austin, and he's going to do his work on it.
Yeah.
And then we'll finish up with getting it back and getting it installed. Yeah. So stay tuned for the rest. And while we're here under the hood, we're going to do a couple other things too. I got some vinyl stickers that we're going to put on the radiator cover here with my YouTube channel name and my Instagram up here. So we're going to put these two on top here and give it a nice look, little advertisement.
Yeah, get some followers from there, hopefully.
Yeah, we'll see how it works. Get this little sticker off of here. The warning to not put your hand in the fan belt, because we all need warnings to do that. Because somebody put their hand in it before. Probably tried to sue them.
Yeah, if there's a sticker, somebody probably did.
Off is easy. We might need to use that glue gun.
Yeah.
If there's any sticky stuff. But I'm going to use the alcohol just to clean off any grease and contaminants. You can see if that'll get that stickiness off that adhesive. Is it working?
It's slowly working, but
Or do you need some glue gun?
might need some of that. Yeah, I've taken it off pretty quick.
Is glue gun to get anything off?
Yeah, maybe when I take the thing over to Austin,
Yeah, that looks good.
we could talk about doing something in my car, maybe.
Yeah.
See what we can do.
That looks good. And I think we'll do the churchy speed on this side. What do you think?
Yeah,
Yeah.
looks like it fits nice.
All right, here we go. Hopefully it's straight. We'll see.
Hopefully.
We'll see. I only got one shot at this.
Yeah.
One shot. Hopefully it's straight. Just finger down in the middle of that. Go ahead and just start wiping one way to the other. Hit each letter, yeah, like that. There's one.
Yeah, looks pretty straight on.
I hope so. Just to find out. All right, let's see how it looks. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah, it came out nice.
Now we'll work on the lead foot voodoo. Do the same thing. One shot.
Well, it worked out for this one.
Good. Right there. Go ahead and hit the middle. All right. And peel back.
Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like that.
That turned out good. Huh.
Yeah, that looks good.
So, here's what we have now. You look under the hood, and you're gonna see everything, and then right at the top of the radiator cover, you got that. So, looks good, turned out nice. Little advertisement. See if it helps. boost the channel.
Hey guys, so as we said yesterday, my dad left. Him and my mom flew to Tampa to go get my sister and bring her back, but that leaves me in charge of getting the strut brace over to Austin at Top Notch Custom Coatings. So he's gonna be doing it a satin black, and we're gonna talk a little more about the fine detail he can do, but he does some pretty good work there. He's one of my friends back from high school, and he takes pride in his business, so it should look pretty good under the hood, and it would set it off like perfect. So I was gonna take the Shelby out today, but it is raining pretty bad right now, so I don't think that's a good idea. So you're gonna have to deal with the Challenger, take a ride in the Mopar today, and yeah, just join me for the ride. All right, so we're in the Challenger. I don't know if you guys have got a really good look at the interior. This is how it looks on the inside. And I think me and my dad were talking about it before, but it comes with the sport mode. So you just click that and it changes up like how it shifts and the steering a little bit. Can't really do much in the sport mode today because of how bad it's raining out, but let's go for a little drive. Yeah, I was just looking at it. I think it's kind of funny how Ford's taking a ride in a Challenger right now. Just gotta put it on our backs and just carry them, you know, because they're not really the best. So, all right, so we just pulled up to the shop. Gonna go take it in, maybe FaceTime my dad, see so he can tell Austin exactly what he wants.
So welcome back, and we picked up our Strut Tower Brace from Austin over at Top Notch Custom Coatings. So that's what it looks like without the Strut Tower Brace. Kind of looks empty. So we did pick it up. I think it turned out pretty good. There you go, we did it in a satin black finish, powder coat, and just left the Ford Performance in a brushed aluminum look. So just nice, clean look. Changed the tag up a little bit, and I think it turned out very nice. So again, that was Austin over at Top Notch Custom Coatings in Delaware. So if you're in the tri-state area around Delaware, you can check him out on Instagram and see all his work. He does a good job. Takes a lot of pride in what he does. So good communication, good work, good guy, one of Dominic's friends. So I'm gonna try and get some more work over to him. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed. To disconnect this positive wire just to give me a little bit more room with getting this brace on this side. Helps out with a little space. It was a little tight getting it off with that wire still connected to the positive side. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Turned out good, I'm happy with it. You know, with it being silver, it kind of stood out, you know, with everything else being, you know, black and the brushed look with the coil covers and the fuse box cover. So now it gives it a nice clean look all the way around. And we were wondering about, you know, with the tag, keeping the tag, the silver, you know, with the Ford Performance, the Performance was in red. Just figured change it up a little bit, and we came up with just powder coating the whole thing and having the brushed aluminum look, which turned out nice. And I found a spec that you tighten these strut tower bolts down to 41 foot-pounds. So we'll go ahead and do that. Get the other side. That's done. Positive, hook back up. This battery cover. Put that on here. Guess that's going to be pretty much the last addition under the hood. So you have to tell me what you think. The black Strut Tower Brace with the brushed aluminum for performance. Tag in the middle. Turned out nice. Happy with it. All right, that's going to be it for this small project. Got the Strut Tower Brace back on. So once again, it was Powder Coated Satin Black by Top Notch Custom Coatings. Go over there and check out Austin. If you need anything powder coated, he can help you out with that. So I want to thank everyone for tuning in. Appreciate the support. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And until next time, take care.